Select values of f of x are shown in this table above. If the f inverse is g of x, which of the following expressions are equivalent to f of x? All right, well, let's do this. Let's make a table for g of x. If g of x is the inverse, we know that all I have to do is just swap them. Swap them. Swap them good. Which of the following expressions are equivalent to 4? So I need to plug in all of these guys and see which one gets 4. So f of g of 4. First off, g of 4 means I'm going to go over here and let me do this. Let me split this up. Let me put this in red over here. F of g of 4 means, let's find out g of 4, which is 2. So f of g of 4 means f of 2, and f of 2 is 4. Check. Let me do this in blue. F of 2 is going to be 4. I already knew that. Plus g of 2 is going to be 1. You're 5. I wanted 4. Sorry. F of 2, I kind of know what's going to happen, is 4 minus g of 2 is 1. That's not 4. That's 3. So not you. So the only guy that seems to work is just 1. Oh, inverses, you get me every time.